It's back armed. If we select gear without putting the code in, just kills the car. Here we have a brand new Mercedes CLA. This is the same as the A-Class as well. In for the CAN IMMO pin to drive mobiliser. Comes with a free tag, also lifetime warranty. Free Faraday bag as well. I'll just show you the tag. A nice little tag in a case. Free Faraday bag. Let's show you how it all works. So with the tag away in the Faraday bag and your phone app switched off, we'll show you how to use the pin code. So this vehicle will start and run. If we select gear, kills the car. So let's just reset that, switch it off. It will allow you to restart again. Vehicle start and running. So using buttons available around the vehicle, we can make up our own unique pin code. So I'm just going to enter the customer's code now. Flash there of the green side lights just flashed down in that left hand corner. Now it means we can select gear nice and safely. Switch the vehicle off. The vehicle doesn't arm until we leave the vehicle. So as I open the driver's door, double flash the side lights there, that is now rearmed. So if I start the car again, we now must enter our code. So if I just enter the customer's demo code, flash there, and we're all safe to go. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0330 012 9028.